Residents of Stokes Hall in St. Thomas are demanding answers after a planned demolition of several homes was halted in the community today. We have the details from Yanique Williams.
We not look weird for them. Who not look weird for them? Look on them. If we not deal with this right now, them people then not no space. Justice for them. See them a little baby them. And them we are doing for. We gone.
Emotions run high in Stokes Hall, St. Thomas, as residents stood in the path of an excavator they say was brought in to demolish their homes. The operations, residents allege, was ordered by the sugar company of Jamaica. Roughly 20 residents gathered at the site as they tried to prevent the demolition from going ahead, even with the police being present.
Few months or weeks ago, the parish council come around and place stop order on the houses that we must not do any more building, which persons comply with that. Shortly after that, we have a meeting with persons from the SCJ holdings, where in that meetings we express our way forward, what we'd like to happen in terms of ownership, either by lease and sale, which that would come a period of time.
Residents say they have formalized letters but are yet to receive answers. They believe greater consultation is needed before any action is taken against their homes.
From then until now, nothing. Only to find out this morning to get phone call to see tractor Vita come, say them come to push down the house them where people suffer for bill.
These are some of the names of the persons who is involved in this housing issue.
The protest brought the exercise to a halt, but residents remain uneasy.
So we don't understand how they are going behind our backs after they promise us meeting up and meeting to send excavator to come lift down where we are trying around here. So
They're now appealing for dialogue and a peaceful resolution. Councillor for the Dalby Division, Michael McLeod, also has concerns.
With SCJ, and SCJ, it need to come, not to have a meeting with me. I don't allow, I want to have a meeting with the resident and the SCJ and whoever, probably the minister, who in charge, to come and make we see how best we can serve. Because in this time, we have economic around this side is not very good, right? And very low on employment all the same way. So I am just reaching out to saying that ACJ is responsible for the property. Yes, we are already gone forward. Just meet with them, give them the way forward.
Yanique Williams, TVJ News.
Now, in response, head of the sugar company of Jamaica, Nigel Myrie, said no instructions were given for any action to be taken today. He, however, confirmed that demolition teams have been mobilizing. He added that multiple notices were issued by the municipal corporations as well as the sugar company of Jamaica for those persons who have been illegally constructing structures on the property to be removed. He, however, said that they have remained defiant, leaving the authorities with no choice but to take enforcement action.